How do you present your construction project? Do you take the investor to the site and walk them through it? Do you build a scale model and invite the buyer to come and see it? Or do you simply describe everything in words and leave it to their imagination? Our proposal, an interactive, hyper-realistic animation project. Select the building block, step inside the rooms, experience the view, redesign the layout, explore street traffic around the site, clear the investors' and buyers' minds of doubts. Let them see the project, not just imagine it. Get in touch with us.